Are you tired of manual follow-ups? Want to automate your sales process? ClickFunnels offers powerful tools to streamline your marketing efforts. ClickFunnels helps businesses boost sales effortlessly. It allows you to create sales funnels, landing pages, and manage documents seamlessly. Among its features, automation plays a vital role. Automation saves time and keeps your audience engaged. Let's break down ClickFunnels automation and follow-up funnels step by step. First, access your ClickFunnels account. You'll notice the dashboard right away. From here, click on the Automation tab. This is where the magic happens. Next, let's explore the follow-up funnels. They help you manage your leads effectively. Set up a follow-up funnel for targeted communication. Choose a name for your follow-up funnel. Click Create Funnel. You can customize email templates. Personalization increases engagement. Then, link your funnel with an email autoresponder. Popular choices are MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. This connection automates your emails. Now, let's define your triggers. A trigger starts an automated sequence. For example, when someone subscribes, a welcome email initiates. You can also incorporate conditions. Conditions let you segment your audience based on behaviors. For instance, if a lead opens an email, segment them differently. Next, let's discuss the sequence of emails. Plan 3-5 emails in your follow-up funnel. Each email should build on the previous one. Start with a welcome message, then provide value, and finally pitch your product. Tracking results is crucial. Monitor opening rates and click-through rates regularly. Adjust your strategy based on this data for better performance. Now imagine you're a business owner. You've just launched a new product. Thanks to ClickFunnels automation, potential customers receive tailored emails automatically. The result? Increased sales with minimal effort. To summarize, ClickFunnels automation simplifies your sales process. You create targeted follow-up funnels, link email autoresponders, set up triggers, and monitor results. This keeps your audience engaged and boosts sales effectively. Ready to automate your business? Sign up for ClickFunnels today. Implement these strategies and watch your sales soar. Don't wait! Start your journey to automation now.